Hello YouTube folks. This video is a continuation of my last video. It's the same day. I came back out in the afternoon and set up the tent over the boat. There's not much for me to talk about in this video, but I feel the video is necessary just so you can see and understand what needs to be done before boat work actually begins. So I'll just let it play and I thank you for watching.
Your boom pineapple wine, your $1.50 all the time.
tent kit came with some sandbags, but I'm not going to use those. I'm going to use some old cinder blocks I had sitting in the corner of the yard. What I attempted to show you guys here were the bungee tie downs that came with the tent and how easy it was to install them. The instructions call for the tent's top to be put on after the roof frame is constructed. However, I wasn't sure I was going to put on the top that day. So what I did here was connected the top to one side of the framing, then tied string to 3 points on the top with a weight on the other end, tossed it over the framing, and then flipped the tent's top on top of it. Hey guys, so we've come to the end of another video. Hope it wasn't too long for you. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, I believe this video is necessary so you get to see what goes on behind the scenes before boat work actually starts. At this point, the boat is pretty well covered from the rain and the sun. We'll definitely need some type of side skirting going forward when it comes time to paint. However, as of editing this video, the tent has held up well. It withstood some pretty strong winds. I only had to reinforce the tie downs on the blocks. The string isn't that sturdy. I have no complaints with the tent as yet. The only thing I noticed is that some of the welder joints on the piping are starting to rust, but I'll watch those and see how far they go and treat them if I need to. I'll see you guys in the next video when the dirty work actually begins. Till then, thanks for watching.